C program to find transpose of the given matrix A. Suppose A is the given matrix having order m by n, then transpose of matrix is denoted by A raised to t and its order is n by m. For example, if A is the given matrix say A11, A12, A1m and AM1, AM2, AMN, then the transpose of this matrix, to find a transpose of this matrix we convert row into column or column into row. So it is A11, then A21, AM1. Similarly the last column will be it is equal to A1m, then ANM. So here total it is n into m. Order of this matrix is n by m. Here it is m by n. So for example, if we write the matrix A is equal to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the order of this matrix is equal to 2 by 3. It contains two rows. First row R1 and R2, and the second column is C1, C2 and C3. So the transpose of this matrix is denoted by A raised to t and it is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6. That is, we convert this row into column. Okay, you can see here it is a column 1, 4. Then second row will be the column of the matrix A raised to t. Similarly, the third column is the row of the third row of the matrix A raised to t. So now we are going to write a code to determine a C program to find a transpose of the given matrix A. So first we want to enter a matrix A, and then we are going to display it, and then next we are going to determine transpose of the given matrix, and then we are going to again display the given matrix, transpose of the matrix. So first load say wide main again we require two-dimensional array, say integer A 2020, and take one more matrix, say B is equal to again 20 20. Then we require here I, J, row and column. Clear the previous output. Printf enter rows and columns of matrix, the given matrix. How many rows and columns of the matrix? So now next scanf and row and column. So next, now we want to enter the matrix. So printf enter your matrix. Then by using the for loop for I is equal to say 0, I less than row, I plus plus, again for j equal to for j equal to 0, j less than column j plus plus, bracket completed, and scanf %d and aij, bracket completed. Now we are going to display the given matrix. So printf your matrix, you enter matrix again we require the above loop. So for I equal to 0, I less than row, I plus plus. So printf %d aij. Okay, again after each entry we require some space between the two entries. So yes, some space after %d. Then after each row we are going to start the next entry at next row, next line. So enter the new line after each row. So new line. Okay, now next, so here if you observe here, if you run this code, let's see, we just enter the matrix and display it. You can see here, sorry, here bij, two errors are there. So now if you number of rows set 2 by 2, and if we enter 4 entries 1 2 3 4, you can see the your matrix is what 1 2 3 4. We want new line after this. So now if you run one more time, say 2 by 2, we enter matrix, say 1 2 3 4, you can see the matrix is 1 2 3 4. Now next we are going to find inverse transpose of the given matrix. So transpose of the given matrix is to find a transpose of the given matrix, again for I is equal to 0, I less than row, I plus plus, then for j equal to 0, j less than column j plus plus. So now we want to interchange row and column. So by using aij is equal to bij, bij is equal to aij, sorry, we are going to store the transpose of the matrix in B. So bij equal to a j I, bracket completed. Then complete this matrix, complete this two loop. Again if you want to print the matrix, so we copy this code, copy, and if we paste here, paste. So instead of aij we are going to print here bij. Now if you compile here, you can see one error, aij is equal to bij is equal to aji. So now here you enter, instead of here I want to write the transpose of the matrix is transpose of matrix is equal to. So now if we run this code, say 2 by 3 matrix, we want to enter total 6 entries, now you can see the enter matrix is what, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and transpose matrix is again 1 4 2 5. There is one mistake here. We want to print the transpose, the row becomes column, so here we want to interchange column into row. So now if you run here, say 2 by 3 matrix, and if we enter the 2 3 4 5 6, now you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 4 2 5 0 0. Okay, j less than bij, I less than column, to 0. What is the mistake? dij. So you want to interchange here also for column and row. Now if you run, say here 2 by 3, say if you enter 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, you can check the enter matrix is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and transpose of the matrix is 1 4 2 5 3 6. Again one more time, so if you enter matrix is 3 by 2, so total again we want to enter 6 entries. So the given matrix is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the transpose of the matrix is 1 3 5 and 2 4 6. So row becomes column and column becomes row. If we enter square matrix, say here 2 by 2, you can see here 1 2 3 4. So the given matrix is 1 2 3 4, and transpose of the matrix is 1 3 2 4. So by using this command here, we enter the matrix aij, and then we first print this matrix here, and then by using this loop for I is equal to 0, I less than column, and for j equal to 0, j less than row, bij is equal to what, aji, and then we display this matrix here. So